Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, February 12th, 2015. Happy birthday, President Lincoln. My name is Cliff Backus. I'm the Chief Market Strategist for Push Button Stock Trading, and this is your daily video market review. We have a quick review today. There really wasn't a whole lot going on yesterday, so let's get right to it. Markets traded in a fairly tight range yesterday, consolidating recent week gains and closing mixed. Taking a look at the Nasdaq composite, the Nasdaq was up 13.54 points yesterday, or 2.8%. Importantly, Nasdaq blocked yesterday at resistance in the 48.11 area. We need to break above resistance in the 48.11 area for the Nasdaq to resume its short-term uptrend. Nasdaq closed near the top of its daily trading range, making the bulls a little bit happy. Trading volume was lower than the prior day. The Nasdaq is currently in an uptrend under pressure. We confirmed the current uptrend on January 8th. Today we lose a distribution day on the Nasdaq. Distribution, the further into the past it falls, becomes less and less relevant, and so we stop counting it after a month. This January 12th distribution day will fall away today, and we no longer add it to the count. So the Nasdaq right now has 4 distribution days in the past month and has actually quite a bit of accumulation. We have 1 accumulation, 2 accumulation days, 3 accumulation days. When accumulation gets to be more prevalent than distribution, it's generally a good sign for the market over the immediate term. Yesterday, our 1 to 6 month timing model switched to a margin signal. Right now, the Nasdaq is bracketed by support at the 45.67 area, and as we mentioned earlier, resistance in the 48.11 range. Let's take a quick look at our MACD histogram. MACD histogram yesterday closed well above the 0 line. It's also trending higher. Closing above the 0 line gives us a bullish signal. Trending higher gives us a second bullish signal. Right now, our immediate bias on the Nasdaq is bullish. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 yesterday closed virtually flat. We were down 0.06 points. For all intents and purposes, no change in the S&P 500. We did yesterday hold above this minor resistance level. S&P closed near the top of its daily trading range, which makes the bulls happy. Trading volume was a little bit below the prior day. The S&P confirmed the current uptrend, which is currently under pressure. On January 8th, this distribution day from January 12th will disappear today due to age. Our 1 to 6 month timing model on the S&P 500 is currently on a margin signal. Margin signal means simply that conservative traders should be working their way toward fully invested, getting rid of weaker positions and adding stronger positions to their portfolios. Aggressive traders can utilize margin in their portfolios at this point. Right now, the S&P is bracketed by minor support in the 1992 area, minor resistance in the 2064 area. If we continue to hold this area, that minor resistance will become minor support. Our major resistance on the S&P 500 is at 2094. In order for the short-term trend in the S&P 500 to return to bullish, we have to break above that 2094 area. Finally, let's take a quick look at the MACD histogram on the S&P 500. MACD histogram, as you can see, is trading above the zero line and is trending higher. Trading above the zero line gives us a bullish signal, trending higher gives us a bullish signal, and so our immediate bias on the S&P 500 is bullish. That's about all I've got today. If you want to talk about the markets or any of our trading strategies, please feel free to give me a call in the office. Drop me an email, or if you'd prefer, make an appointment. Come by, see what we're up to. If you're out of the area, we can set up a Skype session. See my contact information on the home page. If you've not already done so, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. Finally, please take a quick look at our disclaimer video below. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I'll see you again tomorrow.